Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to order and ship from Pinduoduo. So here's the beginning, guys. The Pinduoduo is a popular Chinese shopping app that offers super cheap prices because it encourages group buying. So to start, guys, you just need to download this one, or you can also download it on your Google Play. So it's in Chinese, so I recommend using another phone with Google Translate camera mode to help you navigate, guys. So you can sign up using a Chinese phone number, or in some cases, a WeChat or Apple ID may work. And if you don't have a Chinese number, you can ask your shipping agent to help create the account or use their account to order. So use the search bar and enter keywords in Chinese. You can use Google Translate to convert English words to Chinese, or search by image if you're looking for a specific product. And once you find what you want, click on the product and choose your variant. So they accept payments through WeChat Pay or Alipay, and they don't ship overseas. You need a shipping agent or freight forwarder in China. And that's it, guys. That's how you can order from this website. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.